Hello friends, so today we are going to see World Geography Part 1 Top 50 questions. Let's get started with question number 1. Where is Normandy Beach located? France. Which country is the world's largest archipelago? Answer: Indonesia. Black forests are found in Germany. The largest freshwater lake is Wooler Lake. The main reason for deforestation in Asia is agriculture and infrastructure expansion. Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. The Strait of Gibraltar is situated in the Iberian Peninsula. Largest lake in the world by area is Caspian Sea, 371,000 kilometers square. The Pacific Ring of Fire is a volcanic belt around the Pacific. In geography, Gulf Stream refers to a warm ocean current. Move to the next question. The Chinese river known as Yellow River is Wangho. Serengeti Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Tanzania. Largest existing mangrove forest in the world is Sundarbans Reserve Forest. The Victoria Falls are on the river Zambezi River. Dead Sea is called so because it doesn't support any aquatic life. Kangaroos, platypus and koala bears are wildlife of Australia. The Panama Canal links between Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. The largest delta of the world is Sundarban Delta. The world's largest island is Greenland. Peshawar is near to Khyber Pass. The temperate grasslands of South America is called pampas. Which strait separates Australia and Tasmania? Answer: Bass Strait. The largest coral reef in the world is found in near the coast of Australia. Asia and North America are separated by Bering Strait. Which is the hottest place in the earth? Kuwait's Nuwaisi recorded 53.2 degrees Celsius on June 22, 2021. Which is the longest mountain chain on earth? Mid-Ocean Ridge is the longest mountain chain on earth. Sunda Trench is in Indian Ocean. Lake formed by Aswan Dam in Africa is Nasir Lake. Panama Canal is different from Suez Canal as it has the lock system. About how much of the world's land area is tropical rainforest? The answer is 7%. Which is the world's largest desert by area? Antarctica Polar Desert is the world's largest desert by area. Sahara is located in which part of Africa? Answer is northern part of Africa. Which country has the longest overland tunnel? Answer is Switzerland. More than 50% of the world's coal deposits are held by USA, Russia and China. Which is the only volcanic peak in Antarctica? Answer is Mount Erebus. Is the only volcanic peak in Antarctica. Which is called the land of 1000 lakes? Answer is Finland. Which strait separates Asia from Africa? Answer is Bab el Mandeb Strait. The smallest island country in Indian Ocean is Maldives. Which desert has the highest gold deposits? Answer is Mojave Desert. Geothermal energy is maximum utilized in Iceland. The world's largest island is Greenland. The driest location on Earth is in which country? Atacama Desert in Chile. Which is called Queen of Adriatic? Answer is Venice in Italy. Which cities of Iraq is located on the Tigris River? Baghdad. Which country is known as Land of Midnight Sun? Answer is Norway. Suez Canal is located in which country? So the answer is Egypt. Name the largest desert of Asia. Gobi Desert is the largest desert of Asia. Eskimos people live in Canada and Alaska. Maoris is the term used for the Aboriginal people of New Zealand. Third largest country in population after China and India. So the answer is United States of America. So if you like my video, do like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification of my latest video. So मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. आज के लिए इतना ही.